Some man action going on. She got my iPhone charger. What'd you think about me showing up today, huh? Didn't expect it. I rolled up here.
Like, one of those here.
Oh,
that's dust.
Spread up here. Look at this shit.
That makes sense.
That goodness. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Chewing on some shit? You had some fun? This place is bomb.
Oh shit. Take you that sweet patch of hair on your chest.
How about that right there? Hot tub, no one's gonna go in because fucking 1,000 degrees out here.
Seriously. Investing a wool in the winter.